Your social media feed is probably lying to you about what is sitting inside those little glass droppers. Everyone is shouting about a natural answer to those famous weight loss shots. But the reality is a lot messier than a catchy headline or a viral video. I spent the last few days digging into these specific liquid drops because the hype felt way too loud to be real. Do not get me wrong. The core ingredient is actually quite fascinating. Berberine has been a staple in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. Modern research even shows it can have a modest impact on blood sugar in small-scale studies. The brand also makes a big deal about using Ceylon cinnamon. This is actually a legitimate point because it contains much lower levels of coumarin than the standard cinnamon you find in most kitchen cabinets. High doses of coumarin can be tough on your liver, so that distinction matters. Also, let's be real. Taking a liquid drop is much more convenient than trying to choke down a massive capsule. But that is exactly where the good news ends. When you look under the hood of this specific brand, the engine starts smoking almost immediately. The website has only been live for about 14 months. The actual ownership of the company is hidden behind layers of privacy shields. Even though their marketing leans heavily into a domestic vibe, actual customers are reporting a different story. Multiple buyers on major review platforms claim their bottles are shipping directly from overseas. This is a massive red flag for anyone expecting local quality control. The consumer protection groups are already seeing a pile of complaints. People are reporting that their refunds never arrive. Others are getting hit with recurring subscription charges that they never agreed to or simply cannot cancel. It gets even scarier when you look at the wider market for this supplement. Independent labs recently tested over 30 different products sold on major online marketplaces. Not a single one of them actually hit the amount of active ingredient claimed on the label. Some bottles had less than 1% of the advertised compound. That is not just a mistake. That is a total failure of integrity. Another round of testing showed that over half of the top-selling brands delivered less than half of what they promised. They love to use buzzwords like liposomal to make it sound like the stuff absorbs better, but that often does not translate to real-world results. The biggest problem is that you cannot verify what you are putting in your body. This brand lacks any third-party testing seals. You won't find certifications from the groups that actually hold companies accountable. Without those seals, you are just taking a stranger's word for it. The way they frame this as a substitute for prescription medication is exactly what causes the federal regulators to send out warning letters. If a company won't prove what is in their bottle, they do not deserve your hard-earned money. If you are curious about what these plants can do for you, please talk to your doctor first. There are real, verified options out there. This just is not one of them. You have to be your own detective because the supplement world is still a bit of a wild west. Do not let a slick ad campaign distract you from the lack of real evidence. Your health is far too important to gamble on a mystery liquid with no paper trail. Stay curious, but stay skeptical.